Alright, we're in North Andros Island, Jolter Keys again, favorite spot. Paradise here. Mr. Maurice Roundy, famous aviator and conch collector. That's right, conch collector. Alright, what we're doing is we're setting up on a tripod here. Our Sony high def cam. We got our GoPro here facing to the northeast. And it's rolling. And we're filming with this one. This one is going to be facing on top of the camera here, attached to this velcro right here, facing southwest.
I could do a Cary Grant in north by northwest.
That's right. What's that, like ducking down right as the plane goes over?
Yeah, I'm running away from you, and then I hit the water and splash just before you hit me.
Yeah, right. I remember that scene. Oh, well, I might need a hand pushing back here.
Okay. What if we turn it around?
Well, all we got to do is push it back. They're going through the wing. All I need is that one extra horsepower. Fun you can have with your clothes on.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're rolling. Now the big one went off, but the little ones are rolling, so that's good enough.
Yeah.
These are just as good as that.
Yeah.
Did that look interesting?
That was very nice.
All right, mission accomplished here on the flyby. Out in the middle of nowhere, North Andros. Seaplane, Lake Amphibian. Hope you enjoy the videos. CKflyer signing out.